Can vitamin C be used as a joint health supplement? Would it be wise to take vitamin C if you're suffering from problems like joint arthritis, disc herniations, disc injuries, degenerative joint problems, meniscus tears, or other cartilage damage like bone-on-bone joints? In this video, I'll teach you about vitamin C so that you can decide for yourself if it's right for you to take vitamin C for your joint health. What is vitamin C and what does it do in the body? Its chemical name is ascorbic acid, and this particular vitamin C is Ester-C, which is a newer type of vitamin C that was discovered in the 80s. It's just more tolerable by our stomachs because this is synthetically made. However, this one is very purified. In the body, it acts as an antioxidant. It's one of the most powerful antioxidants out there. And antioxidants are important because they attach to free radicals in our body. Free radicals are bad things that are floating around in our body. They're chemicals that are floating around in our body that attach to cells and destroy cell membranes and other parts of cells. So if you have enough antioxidants in your body, then you can protect your cells from damage and other inflammation problems. Now, vitamin C is commonly found in citrus fruits as well as some vegetables, but it's questionable if we get enough of it in our diet on a consistent basis. So supplementing with a vitamin like this is of huge benefit. Now, what are the vitamin C joint health benefits? Well, because it protects your cells from damage. I think if you're going through an arthritis problem, like if you're flared up, if you have inflammation in your body, if your discs are injured, or if you have any sort of trauma or damage to your joints, taking vitamin C helps set up the inside of your body to heal. It gives it a healing environment so that you're not having to combat as much inflammation. In addition to that benefit, it's commonly used for immune support, so like fighting against illnesses. It's also been shown to help with heart conditions and lowering blood pressure. Now, what are the possible downsides of taking too much vitamin C? Well, if you ever have any side effects like itching, rashes, nausea, anything like that, you should discontinue any supplements or any medication or any food for that matter. It's just that your body doesn't agree with it for some reason. But if you're pregnant or nursing, you should consult your doctor before taking vitamin C. You just want to make sure that the baby is safe. And it's unclear as to exactly how much vitamin C is too much. It may be that you can take an infinite amount of vitamin C. I mean, there comes a point where it's going to be harmful for you. But the recommended dosage for this particular brand right here is 1,000 milligrams. And that's what each tablet here has. You can see these tablets, they're not small. They're not the biggest I've ever seen either, but that's 1,000 milligrams of ascorbic acid or Ester-C, and it's got some calcium in there as well for added absorption benefits. Extra vitamin C is commonly taken for colds or for illnesses to help boost the immune system, so you'll have to figure out what your limit is. My honest opinion as a physical therapist about vitamin C, you should be taking it. The downsides are almost nil. I mean, the risk of you actually running into vitamin C toxicity is so low, and the risk of that is tremendously outweighed by the benefit of helping out your overall health, but especially if you're dealing with a joint problem. If you've got swelling or inflammation or an active flare-up of somewhere like in your spine, in your knees, hips, shoulders, if you're dealing with arthritis problems, taking this may benefit you to get that inflammation down. And as always, do your due diligence and talk with your doctor, let them know what you're doing. I've always seen doctors say taking vitamin C is not harmful at all, only beneficial. So, but I would still talk to your doctor just to make sure that you're communicating effectively with the person in charge of your medications and your overall health. Now, how to take vitamin C? All you do is take one of these with a meal once a day. Now, I think that upping it to 2 times a day would be beneficial for you. You'll have to see, give it a couple of months. This stuff needs to build up in your system. It's not as fast acting as pharmaceutical medications because those are designed to have a near instantaneous effect. Vitamins and supplements like these don't have an instantaneous effect. They need to build up. So you need to be taking this for at least 2 months to see if it's something you want to continue taking and decide if it's going to help your joint health. Now, there's 180 tablets in here, so if you're taking 1 a day, it's going to last you 6 months. If you're taking 2 a day, then it should last you about 3 months. And if you decide to go beyond that, then you're probably going to need to get another bottle. And I don't think it's a bad idea. I've been known to take 2 or 3 of these a day myself. And I'll add another one if I'm feeling like if people around me are starting to get sick, or if I'm starting to get sick myself, I'll take extra vitamin C. I personally have not had any side effects or reactions to it. It tends to sit very well with me. Now, I like Solgar's brand of vitamins and supplements, and the reason why I like them is because they put all their supplements in these amber glass bottles. I like glass to begin with. It's better than plastic because Plastic has been known to leach off some of the chemicals and cause cancer, but glass doesn't leach off like that. And the amber color is the same stuff that they put beer in because you don't want beer to spoil. So this blocks certain light rays out of here and preserves the vitamins for longer. They also do an incredible job at purifying all their supplements. You can see on here it's non-GMO, gluten, wheat, and dairy-free, and it's suitable for vegans. So this is some of the most pure stuff you can get on the market. Now, Solgar doesn't pay me anything to do this. I just like Solgar and I'm sharing that with you. I've got a link for you to get the Solgar brand vitamin C Ester-C supplement in the description below. Go check that out. You can get it from Amazon. That's where I get all my Solgar supplements from. And if you're interested in learning more about what other supplements could help your joint health, there's a playlist in there as well. Thanks so much for checking out this video. I hope it helped you out. Give it a thumbs up if it did. Share it with somebody you think needs to start taking vitamin C for their joint health, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.